Well, welcome back, everybody. What an exciting day here on Wall Street. And let's just go ahead and cover a couple of the basics that are so important, though. First off, I've been telling you since the beginning of February, two-bar close below the channel, 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 and we keep having these one-bar closes below, shaking the tree, shaking the spirit of people, and then it keeps bouncing right back up over and over again. And listen, there is no doubt there's a lot of reason to be concerned in this market. Look at the real estate market and all the madness that's going on there. We had a staff member who had an offer on his house, $40,000 over the listed price. With it was like 10 offers on the house, and it was a no contingencies type offer, and it just goes on from there. So it's a very hot market. We remember this of 2007, 2008. Lots to be concerned about, but in the end, until the technicals say, start taking a look at things other than just the long side here, we're sticking with the long side. And speaking of which, if you guys were at last night's incredible class, I showed you ALXN, showing from over and over from when it even, back got like go no go signals back there, a while ago, to all the IRB and reverse IRB signals it was getting, and momentum shift with trends, all these continuation signals, a lot of different tools coming together there. You'll recall that it went ahead and fired off on the daily, the weekly, the monthly. It was on the WSI scanner. All sorts of these incredible tools I showed you just last night, bringing them all together with you. I showed you there it was last night. That's what I showed you. That's what it looked like as of yesterday. And we talked about these different things with different stocks, right? And how they look, and how we bring them all together. I talked about my process there. So if you were at last night's special event, you heard about ALXN and so many other different instruments there. And here we are again seeing this. If you missed last night's special event, if you're not seeing these different things that we're talking about here with these strategies and putting them all together, then make sure you come for this class. This coming Saturday morning. I'll be doing it at 10 o'clock Eastern, 9 o'clock Central, 7 o'clock Pacific. You can't afford to miss this. I talked about so many of my different strategies, bringing them together. I went through 4 different strategies and stayed late and answered a whole bunch of questions. Saturday morning will be a lot easier for so many of you to get there from all over the world. So join me this Saturday morning, 10 o'clock Eastern, 9 o'clock Central, 7 o'clock Pacific. You can't afford to miss it. Go to wealthcharts.com/go. wealthcharts.com/go, and we'll look forward to seeing you at this very special event here Saturday morning, and carry on all the incredible things that I've been telling you in advance, and then seeing what's happening to them on the other side of it. Just absolutely incredible. So much fun, and I can't wait to see you guys Saturday morning. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.